Someone has put popcorn out there. These little monkeys are mowing down. I see one and I think more are coming. Oh, that one's gonna take that one back. Oh, there's one over there. Popcorn is so good. You know you guys want it. Pretty funny. I'm really surprised there's not more out. Oh, there's another little guy over there. He's eating too. There he goes. He's chowing down. It's pretty funny. Apparently they do like popcorn.